Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss personal pronouns. ብዙ ጊዜ ከባድ የሚመስሉ ነገር ግን በደንብ ከታየ ቀላል እንደሆነ ትረዱታላችሁ። ስለዚህ we directly go to discussions. ወደ ዲስከሽኑ ስንገባ when we talk of personal pronouns ስለ personal pronouns ስናወራ who is speaking to whom ማለማን እያወራ ነው and who is listening to whom is to be considered to identify whether the personal pronoun is first person, second person, or third person, singular or plural. ማን ለማን እያወራ ነው ማን እያዳመጠ ነው ብለን ስናስብ በዚህ መሃል ፈርስት ማን ነው ፈርስት ፐርሰን ሲንጉላር ማን ነው ወይም ፈርስት ፐርሰን ፕሉራል ማን ነው ሰከንድ ፐርሰን ሲንጉላር ወይም ፕሉራል ማን ነው ሰርድ ፐርሰን ሲንጉላር ወይም ፕሉራል ማን ነው የሚለውን ያዳማጩና የተናጋሪው ሁኔታ ይወስናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ቁልፍ ነገር ነው። ኤግዛምፕል if I directly speak to Mr. George ለሚስተር ጆርጅ ቀጥታ ባወራ እኔ ማለት ነው I am the first person singular. Since I am one person, I am singular and the first person because I am speaking. እኔ ተናጋሪ ስለሆንኩ first person ነኝ. In the communication, Mr. George is second person. I am speaking to him that he is the second person to me. ለእኔ second person ነው ማለት ነው። Singular. Since he is one person, is singular. Singular. Since I am speaking to you directly, I am the first person. I am the first person. Singular. If I speak to two person or more people, ለሁለት ሰዎች ለሷና ለሱ ወይም ከዛ በላይ ለሆኑ ሰዎች የማወራ ከሆነ I am still the first person. I am still speaking, being one person. First person singular. First person singular ነኝ. The people to whom I speak to, እኔ ማወራቸው ሰዎች ቀጥታ ማወራቸው ሰዎች as a second person plural. Since they are more than one, they are second person plural. Why is that second? They are listening to me. I am speaking to them. The speaker is always first and the listeners are second. If I speak to you about others, him, her, she, he, it, third person thing about others, that others, እነዛ ሌሎች የተባሉት ማለት ነው። If I speak an information or something about others to you, there's others. In single, him, እሱ ከሆነ ስለ እሱ ከሆነ ስለ እሷ ከሆነ ወይም ስለሆነ ስለ እነሱ ከሆነ ስለ እሱ ከሆነ is the third person singular because he is not in our communication, but I am speaking to you about him. Her is also the third person singular. Them is the third person plural because they are not in our communication. I am speaking to you about them. They are the third person singular plural. I am speaking to you about it. It is not involved in our communication. በእኛ ኮሚኒኬሽን ውስጥ የለም ያ ነገር. It is the third person singular. About her, to you, she is not in our communication. She is the third person singular. Him, ስለሱ ከሆነ is not involved in our communication. I am telling you about him. He is the third person singular. The other to our communication. Third person to our communication individually ማለት ነው. Individually, they are the third person singulars. በነጠላ እነሱ በኮሚኒኬሽናችን ውስጥ ስላሌሉ since they are not in our communication, since they are not involved in our communication, in single they are the third person singulars. The third person singulars in single to our communication. They are independently, but they ሌሎቹ who are not in our communication about whom I am telling you is the third person plural. ስለ እነሱ ኢንፎርሜሽን ለእናንተ ሳወራ እነሱ በኮሚኒኬሽናችን ውስጥ የሉ። they are the third person singular plural. I am still the first person singular. እስካሁን ድረስ የኢንፎርሜሽኑ ባለቤት ወይም ኢንፎርሜሽኑ ነጋሪ ስለሆንኩ እኔ the first person singular. if me and you we እኔና እናንተ እኔና አንተ እኛ ሆነን if speak to someone about others ስለ ሌሎች ለአንድ ሰውዬ ምን ነገር ከሆነ the others are the third person plural and the person to whom we are speaking or we are telling the information is the second person singular. We are the first person plural. Since me and you are telling to others the information, we are speaking persons, we are the first person plural. And the others about whom we are telling the information to others is in single, in individually, they are the third person singular. In common, they are the third person plural. The person to whom we speak is the second person singular. ለነጠላ ሰው ከሆነ እያወራን ያለ ነው እኔና አንተ ሆነን ወይም እኛ ሆነን ለአንድ ሰው የምናወራ ከሆነ ያ የሚያዳምጠን ሰውዬ second person singular ነው። he is listening, he is in our communication channel. በኮሚኒኬሽናችን ቻናል ውስጥ ነው ያለው እና second person singular ነው። others, they, about whom we are speaking, about whom we speak or are the third person plural. ሌሎች የነሱን ኢንፎርሜሽን የምንነግርባቸው ሰዎች since they are not in our communication channel, they are the third person plural. There is a governing idea here or governing rule. ገዢ የሆነ ሀሳብ ምንድን ነው? the state of being first የመሆን ሁኔታ፣ the state of being second የመሆን ሁኔታ፣ the state of being third የመሆን ሁኔታ person singular or plural. singular ነጠላ ወይም ብዙ የመሆን depends on the context of the speakers or the listeners. የአዳማጮቹ ወይም የተናጋሪዎቹ ሁኔታ ላይ ይመሰረታል። this is easy. You have to read it repeatedly. You can understand it easily. Once you understand it, it will never forgotten. I tell you frankly. አሁን በፒክቶሪያል ስንነጋገር ስለ personal pronouns, it is very easy to understand. This person is talking to this person, he is speaking, this person is listening. ይሄ ያዳምጣል፣ ይሄ ያወራል። So this is the first person singular, this is the second person singular because both are singulars. እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ሰውዬ ለእነዚህ ሰዎች ያወራል። ሰዎቹ ሊበዙም ይችላሉ። we can increase in number. ይሄው ሰውዬ ነው ለእነዚህ ሰዎች ያወራል፣ እነሱ ያዳምጣሉ። the listeners are the second person plural. ከአንድ በላይ ስለሆኑ second person plural. always listeners are second persons, speakers are the first persons. እዚህ አንድ ሲንግል ሰው ስለሆነ አንድ ሰው ስለሆነ is first person singular. እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ሰዎች ለአንዱ ሰውዬ ያወራሉ። አንድ ጊዜ ለአንዱ ሰውዬ ያወራሉ፣ ሌላ ጊዜ ደግሞ ለብዙ ሰዎች ያወራሉ። ለአንዱ ሰውዬ በሚያወሩ ጊዜ ሁለት ሆኖ ለአንዱ ሰውዬ በሚያወሩ ጊዜ when they are talking to the single person, being two here, they are the first person plural. እነሱ first person plural ናቸው፣ first speaker ናቸው፣ ተናጋሪ ናቸው፣ first person ናቸው፣ plural ናቸው ከአንድ በላይ ስለሆኑ። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ አንድ ሰው ስለሆነ እዚህ second person ነው አዳማጭ ስለሆነ he is second person singular. እነዚህ ሰዎች in another time they are talking to these three persons, or we can increase the number of persons or people. They are still the first person plural because they are more than one. They are plural. First person, they are speakers. These are listeners. They are second person plurals because they are listeners. አዳማጮች ስለሆኑ second person plural ናቸው። ይሄ ሰውዬ አንድ ሰው ነው። ስለዚህ ሰውዬ ያወራል ለዚህ፣ ሌላ ጊዜ ደግሞ ስለ እነዚህ ሰዎች ለእነዚህም ያወራል፣ ስለ እነዚሁ ደግሞ ለዚህም ያወራል። ይሄ የሚያወራው ሰውዬ this speaker is the first person singular still. He is talking about, he is giving an information about this person one time, and the other time about this person. When he is talking about this single person to the other single person, this person is first person singular. This person about whom this person is talking is the third person singular because it is one person. This is the second person singular. The second person because he is listener and one person. አንድ ሰው ነው፣ አዳማጭ ነው። ሰከንድ ፐርሰን ሲንጉለር ነው። ይሄው ሰውዬ ለእነዚህም ሰዎች ደግሞ ያወራል። ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። they can be two or more than two. they are listeners. they are second person plural. ይሄው ሰውዬ ስለ እነዚህ ሰዎችም ሊያወራ ይችላል። እነዚህ ደግሞ ይሄንን ወሬ አያውቁትም፣ ስለሚወራባቸው ነገር አያውቁትም። they know nothing about the information told about them. ስለሚወራው ነገር ምንም አያውቁም። ስለዚህ they are the third person plural, third person singular. They are not in information channel. This person know about them and tell about them, about this person, and tells for this person, for this persons. This is first person singular. This is third person singular, which is not in an information channel. This is a third person plural, more than one persons. ከአንድ በላይ ስለሆኑ third person ናቸው፣ ምክንያቱም በኢንፎርሜሽን ቻናል ውስጥ የሉ። This is the second person plural because they are listeners. These both listeners. The difference between these two is this single person, second person singular. These are two or more people. They are second person plural. Plural, singular. These two persons are the speakers. They are the speakers. They tell information about this single person or about many other persons or people. ስለተለያዩ ሰዎች ወይም ስለ አንድ ሰው ሊያወሩ ይችላሉ። When they tell about this single person, for single person, they are the first person plural because they are more than one. The listener is the second person singular because he is listener, not speaker. Here are two persons or more than two persons who are listening to these two persons. They are second person plural. ሁለተኛ second person plural ናቸው፣ ምክንያቱም they are listeners. More than one, they are plural. These two persons are again tell about these two or more people to the single person or to two or more people. These persons are third person plural because they are not in information channel. They know nothing about the information told about them to others. ለሌሎች ስለነሱ እንደሚነገር የሚያውቁት ነገር የለም። ነገር ግን ቢያውቁትም ስለነሱ ለሌሎች የሚነገር ከሆነ ኮሚኒኬሽን ውስጥ ካሌሉ instead of speaking process in the duration of speaking process, those who are not involved in the information are the third persons. በኢንፎርሜሽን ፕሮሰስ ውስጥ በሰዓቱ ያሌሉ ሰዎች ነገር ግን ስለነሱ የሚነገር ከሆነ እነሱ third persons ናቸው። Here is the speakers about others, about either single person or about two or more persons. They are first person plural. This is third person plural, third person singular, second person singular, second person plural. Why this is plural? More than one. Why second? They are listeners. More than two, they are listeners. Both are second because seconds are listeners. This is as easy as that. You can understand easily in this pictorial discussion. I hope it. Let me remind you to hit the bell icon, to share to your friends, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you.